Today's video I will show you how you can install Python and PyCharm. So let's get started. So you need to go in Google Chrome, type Python, search. After that you need to open the first site python.org, and you need to, if you will install latest version, then you will get some uh, problems because it's latest version. So generally you will get some problems. So you need to download one step earlier version. So like 3.10. For that you need to click on full list of downloads. Go down. Here you will see the release date and old versions. So I will install. This is also new, so it may get some problems. So that's why I will download this version. So click on download. It will take few minutes, on, and you will reach on new site. Here you will get a file for Windows installer 64-bit. Click on download and downloads has started. So, we need to download also PyCharm ID. Search for Python. Download. So JetBrains, open first site. So you can see Python setup has been downloaded. In PyCharm, there is two versions available in here. So this is download Python. For ID, you can see PyCharm. There is the professional version and also the community version. Community version is the best for beginners and also for small type of users. Because in professional, there are so many things. Those are automated, so you might get some issues in starting. So here also you can download for Mac, Linux. So according to your operating system, you need to download the community version. Click on download. It will appearing on the next window, and it will take few minutes and downloading gets started. You will see, you can see the is a 400 MB setup. So it's downloading. Few seconds remaining. You can see both files are downloaded. So I'm going to install. Click on install. So you can see the dialog box has been opened. So you need to, before you start download, you need to click add python.exe to patch and install now. So allow. So you can see the Python installation has been success. Okay. So now we need to install IDE PyCharm. So for that we need to double click on that, set a file, and wait for some time for execution. So allow it. Next, this is the destination folder of Python installation files. You can see also the required space. It will take 1.5 GB. Click on next. So before you click on next, you need to check all the checkboxes. As a beginner, click on install. The installation process has been started. Okay. So after installation, it will ask you to reboot. So this is not necessary. It will configure all the setups automatically. So just click on finish. And now, uh, before we open PyCharm, we need to check the Python installation has been completed or not in our system. So for that, you need to open CMD and click type 5py as the version. You will get the three arrows. So it means the and the details of your installation version of Python. So for check, you can calculate two values, like I am calculating 4 plus 4, and you will get the calculated count. So it means the Python has been installed successfully in your system. Now close this window, and we would like to open PyCharm as well. The first time it will take some time because things will configured automatically. For that, you need to confirm the agreement. Don't send. So after installing Python, you will get this screen. So if you have existing projects already, then you need to click on open, and you need to give the path of that projects. Or you are beginner, you installed first time the PyCharm, then you have to click on new project and give the destination of there you would like to keep your data of Python and click on create. Okay, that's it. So we'll start coding from next videos. So with that, thank you for watching.